Hey everybody, today we talk disc herniations, specifically what it is, how you might have got it, and what you can do to help prevent it from getting worse. So let's start out by taking a closer look at the spine so we can get a better idea of what's happening. Here we have a disc model showing the L4 and L5 vertebrae with the disc in between. This is a very common site for injury due to how much weight it has to carry on a regular basis. What can happen with enough repetitive stress or trauma is we can wear away at this outer layer of the disc. And when enough of the disc or annulus has worn away, the pressurized nucleus or gel inside the disc can work its way outside of the disc, forming the herniation. A very common mechanism of injury is bending under excessive load without properly stabilizing the spine. We see that when I press down on the edge of the vertebrae, emulating loaded flexion, the disc protrudes its nucleus. However, if I press down on the center of the disc, emulating a neutral spine under load, the disc does not protrude its nucleus. This is demonstrating how a neutral spine when under load can be very beneficial for someone who has a back injury related to bending. Now this example was not intended to demonize flexion or rounding of the spine. It was simply to make you aware of the importance of postural awareness, particularly when your spine is under load. Because ultimately having a disc herniation doesn't mean that we have to stop doing all the things we used to love to do and live in movement fear. It just means that we need to build the right support systems around the injured tissue so our body has time to adapt and heal. So this means your focus should be on movement quality, positional awareness, and finding out the exact mechanism of your injury. Essentially what that means is we need to identify what movements, what postures, what loads irritate your lower back so we can reduce, modify, or eliminate them throughout your day. Now I know all this may have sounded a little bit overwhelming and you may not be sure where to begin. So I linked a few videos down below and they're gonna help you get started. And remember, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I would love to get back to you and I hope everyone has a great pain-free day.